Hello and welcome to a tutorial in EG 4011, the thesis research. And in this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how to use the Tactilus to measure the pressure applied on a surface. First of all, in the first step, we need to have all of the devices connected properly. So cable from the port A connected to the port A and port B to the port B. And you also need to install the driver according to the manual. When everything is done, you can start measuring. So first of all, click on device and select the device you want to use. And after that, I choose the setup for calibrations. And please scroll down to find the calibration for your device. I have only one device, so I don't need to change it. Just save and exit. Now, after I have set up everything well, I just create a new project. So create a new project. And here is the setup what I have. And I can see how the pressure apply on. So just start recording by press a button record. Now all of this become blurred because it's not usable. Now I try to press one of my finger on the sensor and you can see that. If I try two fingers, you can see the positions and the grayscale will tell you the pressure of my finger apply on. And now I use all of my four fingers. Alright, please do not use something sharp because it may damage the Tactilus. Just use something that very smooth for calibrations. There are also some options for use in this Tactilus software. For example, you can change the ISO bar to something like colorful, like coloring, and you choose a rainbow. Alright, so now it will become white, and when I applied my finger on this, I have three fingers, you can see that. Not all of them have the same color, so I have different pressure acting on the sensors. I also can see the statistics. For example, I can see the pressure versus the time. So here is a graph of the pressure versus the time. And I can see if I apply one finger on that. And then you can see the change of the maximum average and minimum pressure. When I release it, it disappears. That's very useful for us when we try to study the pressure from soil acting on a wall. It can be an active pressure. When you want to set the result, for example, if I apply something one finger on this one, and then I try to record it to save it. So from here, I click on stop. So it will stop where I just stop. And then you can save as. So to file and save as or export, save image or export project, something like that. And you will get your data out for further analysis. I hope this short tutorial can help you to how to use Tactilus. Thank you very much for your time and see you in the next tutorial.